Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Now I am going to discuss a case law regarding theft or felony they call misdemeanour in USA. We are discussing a case of USA. You may be knowing November 3rd week is called Thanksgiving week. During that period, lot of items will be on sale. The rates will be lessened, or you call offers. Offers will be there in USA throughout the United States of America. At the time, people will throng the stores and purchase the items. Of course, the business people, the stores people, they want to get rid of the pending items so that they can get a fresh stock in the new year. That is the idea behind it. Of course, Thanksgiving is a very good concept where the USA lords, they used to actually say thanks to the workers. They used to feed them, they used to give something what they know, just like charity, like that it started. But anyway, now it's called third week of November, third Friday, I believe, it's called Thanksgiving Day. During that period, an incident of theft took place in Colarado, USA. In the stores, Kohl's, Kohl's. So normally when I visited America, we used to visit the Kohl's stores very quite often because the rates are reasonable, just like Target, Best Buy and Walmart. Of course, in my view, it is better than Walmart. So we used to go to the Kohl's stores. I am well versed with the stores because a lot of purchasable items like clothes, all these things will be available. Right. So two thieves, one of them is aged 50 years, by names Michael Green and Byron Bedden. Both of them were caught or were arrested for committing theft of the items, different items, like right, including clothing and like a pressure cooker and other things. They were found stealing, or they were found responsible for the theft of so many articles from the so-called Kohl's stores in Colorado. You may be knowing they are all covered with the CCTV cameras, but still, definitely, thief is always ahead of the police. RTI is always ahead of the so-called stores people. Somehow they could be able to get away with the property because of the busy schedule, because the stores will be thronged, busy with so many people. Somehow these two people, they have found committing theft of stealing goods worth more than $2,000 from this particular departmental store. So the main point here is, however, in the beginning they said they were not responsible or did not commit any theft. But when once the CCTV camera footage fixed them, then they asked for lesser sentence. That's why in 235 class 2 CRPC, even in India also we will be telling, the court has to hear the quantum of sentence. Even though you punish him for death sentence, you have to ask him regarding the quantum of sentence. There, the magic the advocates play, saying that a old man is suffering from many things, so many family members are there dependent on him, so many things will be telling. Or if he's a young man, he has very recently participated in the Corona, he worked as a frontline warrior in Corona, he is running so many non-government laws, all these things we are going to tell. So quantum of sentence. At this particular point, they asked for a lesser sentence because the stolen items were on sale. The stolen items were on sale. That means they are having very, very lesser value. Why they have argued? That's also another important point. In America, if the property committed theft of is more than 2,000, it is called felony. I will tell you there, it's not written here. So there is a difference. Just like in India, theft and grave theft. Suppose if the property lost is less than 1 lakh, it is called general theft. If it is property more than 1 lakh, it is called grave offense. So likewise, this in America also, if the property is more than 2000, it's called a misdemeanor. Misdemeanor. And theft between $2,000 and $5,000 is a class 6 felony. Felony, theft, misdemeanor, they are all synonymous words. For in our area we call it as theft. Then the pair, they stole items worth about $2,094, 9.8 cents. So almost $2,000. Now, initially they stated that they were not guilty. Now, when the defense attorneys suggested that better you admit the offense or plea bargaining. Admit the offense, you will get a lesser sentence. So they asked for lesser sentence. The jocular point is that the items were on sale. So therefore, the district attorney, he stated that theft is theft. Whether it is kept in the stores, whether it is kept for sale. So the district attorney, John Kellner, he stated that just because item is on sale doesn't mean you are free to steal, you are free to take away. So the defendants, these persons, they have to think over, they have to get a lesson by being in jail, right? So the retailers in the other stores also, they are fed up with the theft, and please remember, definitely they have to be prosecuted. So the result is Mr. Bolden, he was received 90-day jail term, and another person 15 months jail term, because this man, Mr. Green, is an old man who has incited the other person, Mr. Byron, to commit the offense. So anyway, it is quite common, but the important point, interesting point is that they ask for lesser sentence stating that the items are on sale. Whether the items are on sale, whether they are the department store is expected to distribute them free of cost, but you are not supposed to take away the same. You are not supposed to steal the same. Definitely they have to get punishment, right? So I have read the news in the press, the Guardian paper. So if you find time, please read the news and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.